Welcome to lecture series on economics of capital market. Today I'm going to discuss about the procedures of public issue. In the primary market there exist different methods for the issue of shares, and here in this class we are going to discuss about the procedures of public issue. What are the steps involved in the public issue? Under the public issue, new shares or debentures may be offered either directly through prospectus or offer documents, or indirectly through an offer for sale involving financial intermediaries or issue houses. That is, shares are offered either directly or indirectly. In the direct method, it may be through a prospectus or offer document. If method is indirect, it may be through an offer for sale. In that, financial intermediaries or the issue houses may be involved. And then, what are the main steps involved in the public issue of shares by the primary market? The first step is draft prospectus. This draft prospectus has to be prepared in such a manner which gives all required informations. Any company or listed company making a public issue or right issue of value more than 50 lakhs has to file a draft offer document with SEBI for its observation. That is, the company need to submit a draft prospectus to the SEBI regarding the info for which gives the informations about the company, and the company proceeds in accordance with the directions of the SEBI, and the company can open its issue within 3 months from the date of SEBI's recommendations or the observations. This is the first steps involved in the public issue. That is, a draft prospectus has to be prepared and sent to the SEBI. After getting clearance from the SEBI, then the issue can be done. Second one is fulfillment of entry norms. Second one is fulfillment of entry norms. SEBI has given certain entry norms for accessing the primary market. A company can enter into the primary market if a company fulfills these entry norms. That is, entry norms must be checked, and if all these conditions are fulfilled, then only the SEBI allows the companies to enter into the primary market. Third step is appointment of underwriters. This is to ensure full subscriptions. In the case of undersubscriptions, these underwriters ensures the full subscription of the shares. Then fifth step is the initiating allotment procedures. This initiating allotment procedure means when issue is subscribed to the minimum level, the registrar initiate the allotment procedures. That is, initiating the allotment procedures. Registrar initiate the allotment procedures. Then there is another step, namely appointment of banker as a collecting agency. Next step is appointment of broker to the issue. That is, the recognized members of the stock exchanges are appointed as the brokers. Seventh step is filing of documents. A draft prospectus, copies of agreement with underwriters, bankers, registrars and brokers to be filed with the registrar of companies. Eighth step is printing of prospectus and application form. That is, prospectus and application forms are printed and dispatched to all merchant bankers, underwriters and brokers. Next step is listing the issue. That is, send a letter to the stock exchange. Issue is proposed to be listed, has to be sent to the stock exchanges. Then it should be published in the newspapers. Publish the abridged version of prospectus, a condensed form of prospectus. Commencing and closing date must be given, and it should be in newspapers, regional, and as well as the local and in English daily also. Then next step is the allotment of shares. All applications forms, or after scrutinizing all application forms and tabulating, after tabulating, shares are allotted. These are the steps involved in the procedures for the public issue. That is, it includes drafting of prospectus, fulfillment of entry notes, appointment of underwriters, initiating allotment procedures, appointment of bankers, appointment of brokers, filing of documents, printing of prospectus and application form, listing the issue, publications in newspapers, and finally the allotment of shares.